Have you ever come across those people who seem unusual? Maybe it's that socially awkward nerd who seems to know everything. That Giga Chad at the gym who quickly achieved those alien gains. Or that strange man who marches to the beat of a different drum. All right, Earthlings, gather round. Forget the grays and spaceships for a sec. Let's talk about what makes us truly, ridiculously awesome. Our weirdness. Ever look up at the stars and wonder if anyone else is out there watching cat videos and freaking out about Mondays? Turns out, the answer might be closer than you think. We spend countless hours searching for life beyond Earth, hoping to find creatures who share our curiosity. But what if the true alien experience isn't out there, but within us? Think about it. We've built skyscrapers that pierce the clouds, engineered vehicles to move us around, and invented gadgets smaller than our hands that hold the wisdom of entire libraries, yet still somehow mess up pictures of our meal. We capture feelings with paints and brushes, and argue about the perfect way to brew that magic morning potion called coffee. We're a walking hodgepodge of ideas, a beautiful mix of cultures and ways of thinking, and that, my friends, is what makes us awesome. Here's the first lesson we, your fellow Earthling weirdos, need to remember. Embrace your individuality. Have you ever felt like you don't quite fit in? Maybe you're obsessed with a seemingly random topic, or your passions seem out there. But what if that's not a sign of being alien, but a sign of your incredible potential? We are all built differently. Just like a starship wouldn't use the same engine as a deep-sea submersible, we don't all need to function the same way. Maybe you're not the strongest or the fastest, but you can see patterns others miss. Perhaps logic escapes you, but your emotions paint 1,000 pictures. Those things that make you seem different are the very things that fuel your greatest strengths. So don't try to be a carbon copy of someone else. Play to your strengths and don't be afraid to excel. Now, some folks might look at you sideways, the ones who like things beige and normal. They might call your ideas crazy or your dreams unrealistic. But here's another cosmic truth. Haters gonna hate, across the galaxies and down the street. Don't let their negativity invade your mind. Oftentimes, it's not about you and more about them losing control in their lives. Our next lesson is to open your mind. We get stuck in our bubbles, seeing the world in black and white, us versus them. Be open to new ideas, to different ways of seeing the world. Learn from each other, celebrate your differences, and together we can create something that blows the doors off awesome. Being open-minded leads to continuous learning and progress. That insatiable curiosity, that thirst for knowledge that keeps you asking why and how, that's the fuel that propels us forward. Don't be afraid to chase those crazy ideas, to explore the uncharted territories of your mind. That's how we innovate technologies and evolve as a race. Finally, being different doesn't mean being alone. We may come in all shapes, sizes, and shades of weird, but we share a common human spirit, the desire to explore, to understand, and to be understood. We're all on this spaceship Earth together, hurtling through the cosmos. So, let's be kind to one another. Channel that collective weird energy towards solving the challenges that threaten our planet. Remember, no matter how quirky you are awesome.